saying goodbye to the rock and the wildlife. Really look at it, that hat, it looks just like an old hat from, you know, like an old Dutch. You figure the pilgrims wearing that black hat, you know, it looks just like it. This RCA antenna, HD antenna, for a couple of months. When I got that first antenna, I wanted the #1 antenna in America. The sprayer box, so we can put it in the back of 25-gallon sprayer, perfectly fit in my little box that I created. Down here at the Hat Rock State Park, everybody's fishing and having a good day. Boats ramp right there. I'm jealous. Yeah, they. What do we got here? Interesting. Warehouse Beach, guys. Warehouse Beach. The locals from Hermiston come down and go swimming. So that's pretty cool. Another day at the Hat Rock. Down here at the Hat Rock Pond, running around emptying trash cans, picking up debris, garbage. You can see my home in the background there. It's a beautiful day. It's a little windy today, but all's good. The ducks are out honking and cronking, and these Canadian geese and their babies are all over the place. Got my eagle up there in this tree. That, guys, got the mama eagle hanging outside her nest over there. They're both there. One's on the left and one's on the right. And mama's up there at 11 o'clock. And there's the two babies. Look at them. There's two heads popping up there.
Oh, I'm boring you guys with all this heavy duty labor that I'm the birds are just using for nesting material anyway. Yep.
Look how beautiful that is. So we're gonna weed eat all the curbs, make sure everything's clean. So a little windy today, but project today is weed all the yellow curbs. See how they're all yellow, but so we're gonna get ready to paint these curbs. So I'm gonna go around and weed about this. Just taking their little horsies for a stroll. You haven't seen it. You haven't seen it. There it is. Put some rock in. I gotta put more rock in it, and turn that on for about 10 minutes, as long as it takes me to take a shower. And it looks good. So far, so good. I'll see how we can do here. This thing's been burning pretty good. This stove I haven't yet to use. Guys, a little flat iron, some rice, coat. Probably in half an hour, maybe. Tore that whole stump up. Guys, this is the stump removal. We Use the. Okay, that's what they look like. Pepperoni pizza. Wow, a little rain today. Rain and chilly. It's going around. Color. Does. Hey guys, down here at the end of the park, a little do some rowboat, little metal skiff, and he's out there checking for leaks.
Ow, good morning.
I don't have to tell you what time it is. Here we go. Baked chicken, salad. I mean, it's pretty worn. You can tell. It is worn out. Project completed. Had to wash down that on the right side, all squared away. Got the door. That bathroom. We got the. Done, guys. Bathroom complete. Limb just fell off this tree, boy. Holy shit. A little windy today. This is the Fish and Wildlife truck. It's gonna go ahead and dump these trout. There's a bunch of trout in this thing. I don't know if you guys could see them, but Maker maximum performance, extreme heavy duty, built for power. It's a connected bucket, ready for a bucket. Beans. She's been up there since I've been here, April 4th. She's probably here a little sooner. That nest is huge. They're both there. One's on the left and one's on the right. And Mama's up there at 11 o'clock. And there's the two babies. Look at them. There's two heads popping up there. This thing just folds up, right? Got the little 2x4. Got a little queen bed here. And let's test it out. Is all the way down, tree base. Shredding this side. Alright, let's figure out what we're gonna do. Get some tape measures and we'll cut up something, put a cover on that sucker. There it is. It's a temporary thing. They need to redo the oh, yeah, just took this clip off, put on a new one. I know it's kind of white. This one's kind of beige. I probably should have got the beige one, but oh.
He says, ain't no reason you shouldn't be working.
We've all had this challenge here. The screen itself has been damaged. You can see the little hole right there. A little dusty. I can just clean this. It's not a... Oh boy, there she goes. She's practicing. That's it. Baby. Last day here at Hat Rock State Park. It's been great. Heading out right now.
Bye, Hat Rock.
Bye, RV Park.